In 2002, with the original intention of empowering industries with intelligent technology, LONGLY was quietly founded. Starting in a small workshop with a few skilled hands, the company took its first firm steps on the path of exploration, from an initial small-scale factory to now empowering over 130 listed companies, delivering more than 380 turnkey system factories, serving 4,000 partner companies, and surpassing 30,000 global application devices. LONGLY has become an industry leader. The team's dedication and hard work have nurtured the seeds of their dreams, allowing them to grow into dominant force in the field. From the creation of the first product to industry recognition and honors, from single technical services to diversified solutions, every step has been marked by persistence and dedication. Over 23 years of perseverance, the scale and territory have expanded, but the original values of innovation, integrity, and responsibility remain unchanged in the hearts of the LONGLY.